On May 23rd, Friday night, SBA issued additional guidance. 2 more rules came out. Well, rules, we'll call them documents. One's for the lender, one's for the borrower. Loan program, loan forgiveness requirements here. Interim final rule. I forget how many now they've had. 10, 15, 20. I heard the number this morning. There's been a lot of interim final rules. Here's one for the lender. What they've got to do. Yep. In theory, another final rule. The highlights. No change to the 75% rule for payroll funds. No change to 8 weeks at this point. Supposedly, the Senate is supposed to vote on this potentially this week. The House is apparently on recess until the following week. And they proposals out there are 16 weeks or 24 weeks, and try to eliminate the 75% rule or expand it to less time and more weeks. Through May 23rd, roughly, there's been 4.4 million loans done, more than $511 billion. That averages about 116,000 per loan. And apparently there's about 138 billion still remaining to be used. Some clarifications: bonuses and hazard pay are eligible for loan forgiveness. Does not count as full-time equivalent employees because there's no hours attached, but it does count as wages. Still cannot exceed $100,000 per year cap. They clarified individuals on their own payroll. They gave guidance on that. Clarification of non-payroll cost. Specifically, costs must be paid during the 8-week period or incurred during the period and paid on or before the next regular billing date, even if that date is after the 8 weeks. The guidance also states, and this is those who have real estate, mortgage interest, prepayments, advance payments are not allowed. You cannot prepay your mortgage on your for business property. Some more clarification: if you have employees who decline to come back, you're rehiring them, they decline to come back. You can count them as a full-time equivalent employee, even though they decline, but you must make a good faith offer to them. Hence, you must put in writing at the same pay and hours as before they were laid off or furloughed. In addition to this, the borrower, that is you, the borrower, you must notify the state that they declined the offer within 30 days of that rejection. Now, if they don't formally put it in writing to you, give them a time frame in your letter to accept or decline. Make sure you know that they got it. Or that's some sort of email confirmation, certified letter. Certified letter still works the best because someone's got to sign for it. Emails, no one's signing for anything. And there's no guarantee that they got it. Things do get spammed out. Things do get lost in emails. Things don't get read. So you probably got to go the certified mail route. And then you must report them to the state of unemployment to remove them from unemployment compensation. And this is the one that you're going to get a lot of pushback from lenders. Lenders will not be paid their fees for any loan that the SBA deems to be ineligible. This includes a 1-year clawback provision on bank fees for those loans. So initially, as the rule was, we will hold the lenders harmless as long as the borrower certifies in good faith that it's a valid loan. Well, now they changed the rules. Now they're putting it back on the lenders. So you may get some pushback on your documentation from the lenders that it works, unless they change the rules here in the next couple of weeks, which they likely will again. We've had so many interim rules. So expect it not to be as easy as before, because some lenders have been really easy. We've seen that on Submitting paperwork, nothing at all, basically. W-3, that's it. Maybe a 941, maybe a 940, maybe a W-2, maybe a Schedule C only. Really straightforward. We don't know. Again, they changed rules because they said, we're not going to look at anybody underneath $2 million. Now they are. Again, the rules change. They're going to change again. We just got to work with what we currently know at this point. So again, we'll try attaching these detailed rules with this video. Thanks.